Assalamu alaikum. Alhamdulillah. All praise be to Allah. Peace be upon you all. We praise Almighty God, and may the peace and blessings of Almighty God be on the last and final messenger, in line with all the messengers of Almighty God, Prophet Muhammad, upon him be peace, and all those who follow to the truth. Just wanted to let you know how the things have changed. I do not have to go into the pandemic, how it has affected humanity as a whole. However, the resilience of human beings to overcome these difficulties in various ways is remarkable. Especially as Muslims, we are supposed to pray 5 times a day close to each other. How we have adopted to the 6 feet distances, and with mask and with our own prayer rugs is an amazing fact. We used to have a class for non-Muslims. We used to have visitors regularly every week. Many students, many institutions are calling us, and we have switched to the virtual meetings. Or when people do come in, we do have the safety measure of 6 feet and the mask together. But our online classes for the non-Muslims and new Muslim is an amazing fact, because we have been able to contact people from far and wide to Africa. Like one of the classes we had invited Mufti Menk, for instance, and I had received a communication, an email from Russia. His friends somewhere in the US have attended the class, and he wanted to thank me because he had those questions resolved. People who have contacted from New York, for instance, who took the Shahada on class, and every class, at least in every alternate week, we are having people come into the class and take Shahada. Now, the advantage is that these classes by the IAR is not only recorded on Zoom, but also on the IAR YouTube and the Facebook. And these are going into other areas where people are observing simple, what is Islam, who are the Muslims? And when these simple ways that people do understand that it is nothing different than what they have been used to, they are coming to Islam so willingly without any force or coercion. And this is a continuous class every Sunday at 2 p.m. Other than that, through IAR, people can contact us from any part of the world. We will be glad to provide them with resources, with books, with videos and other lessons. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.